Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter in social study, chapter 16, modes of transport. So, how things move? People have to move from one place to another. The goods too have to be moved from one place to another. So, the various means of transport helps people and goods to move. So there are many different ways in which people travel. People travel to far off places in trains and in aeroplanes and many other transport. So places that are close can be reached by buses or cars, but some places use bicycles, scooters and motorcycles to move around. But in some parts of our country, animals are still used as means of transport, like in villages, in towns. So, bullock carts and horse carts are used to carry people and goods. Okay, now name any three means of transport you have seen. So, we see car, train, and bus. Okay. Now, the modes of transport can be divided into three categories like land, air, and water. So, land transport, some means of transport move on land like buses, cars, bicycles, motorcycles, bullock carts, and trains, many more. They are called land transports. So, land transport runs on roads, on tracks. We can land transport. We use land transport when we need to travel or move goods within our country. Okay. Now the next page, air transport. Some means of transport fly in the air like aeroplanes and helicopters. They are called air transport. It is the fastest means of transport. It is used when people want to move over long distances and reach quickly. So it is also used to move goods. Now, talking about water transport, boats, ship are means of water transport. So, they are used by people who live near the sea or river. Means of water transport is used by people to travel and to move heavy goods from one country to another. Okay, now name one of each kind. A vehicle pulled by a horse is cart. Next, a vehicle that move on tracks, train. Next, a vehicle that flies in the air, aeroplane. Next, a vehicle that carries goods over water, ship. Okay. Now, things I have learned. People have to move from one place to another. Means of transport help to move people and goods from one place to another. There are many different ways in which people travel, and also means of transport can be divided into land, air, and water. Okay. So students, I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.